This is Mr. Couponer. I am making macaroni and cheese, homemade macaroni and cheese. So I got a pot of water that's boiling, salted water. It's boiling. I'm gonna put the noodles in and stir it up. I got the Ebo macaroni, 1 pound. I got it in the salted boiling water. Stir it up. And I have the timer on 11 minutes to let me know when it's done. And I'll taste one to make sure it's soft enough. And I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so the noodles are done. It was about 8 minutes, depending on your stove. As you see, the noodles are swollen. They're swollen. That's how you know when they're done. Alright, there we go. It's a little foggy. So I'm gonna drain the noodles, and I'll be right back. Okay, the noodles are drained. I put them back in the pot. This is where I'm gonna mix all my ingredients before putting it in the oven. So over here we have some milk, non-flavored milk, regular milk. We're gonna use a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of Lori seasoning salt, 2 eggs, and a pound and a half of cheese a pound and a half to 2 pounds of cheese. I normally use 1 pack in the pot, and then another pack I put on top before putting it in the oven. I normally add some complete seasoning, but I'm out. So I'm gonna add the ingredients to the pot. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like before I mix it up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this what it look like. I have the seasoning, I got the milk, I got the egg. So we're gonna mix it up. I'm using one hand. To mix this up. I normally mix the eggs with the dry ingredients up first. So next, I'm turn the stove back on low. I'm gonna start sprinkling one of these and mixing it up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and mixed everything up. This is what it looks like after everything is mixed up and pour in. And then what I'm gonna do is top it with some more cheese. Let me put the cheese on there, and I'll show you what it looks like before it goes in the oven. Alright, so this is what it looks like before I put it in the oven. So I used 2 medium cheddar shredded cheese. 2 of them, which is each one is 8 ounces. So it's 1 pound. My bad, I think I said 2 pounds earlier. So a total of each bag has 2 cups. So 1 pound of cheese. I did half a pound before putting it in the pot, mixing it up, and then I did another half a pound right before I put it in the oven. And I have the temperature on 300. And we're gonna let it bake for 35 minutes. All right, y'all, so here's the macaroni. I like mine's that's not burnt. That's a little golden crust on top. This is how I like my mac. because you see it's moist in the middle. It's not dry. So it's not dry. Still has moisture to it. Alright, so here's the recipe for my homemade macaroni and cheese. Oh, let me get something to taste it. Alright, let me taste it. Oh my God. So good. Got to be more careful. Alright, y'all, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.